Hi you guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you guys a universal prom makeup look for people of color. So right now I'm going in with the P.Louise eyeshadow base in the shade Rumour 2, and I'm starting with a very dark brown shade. It's going right there into my crease, so I'm doing windshield wiper motions to blend that out, and then I'm going with a chocolate brown shade. It doesn't look so chocolate brown on camera when I'm blending it on my lid, but trust me, it's a chocolate brown shade. It's the third shade from the left, and that P.Louise Go Shawty is my birthday palette. And again, I'm using a combination of circular motions and windshield wiper motions to blend out that first shade. And then again, I'm going with a tan beige shade to blend in the chocolate brow. And I'm using the 50-50 method, by the way. It's when you're going in with another shadow and you're placing the next shadow 50% of it onto the previous shadow and 50% on right above it. Okay, so I prepped the lid with more P.Louise base, and I'm going in with a dark gold color on the lid. And then, you have to constantly go back and forth to blend out the eyeshadow on your lid. And I'm going in with the Larue Pigment to just give my eyeshadow a little pop, a little bedazzle. And I'm going to put a regular line above my lashes. I'm not doing a wing today. And so here I was trying out a new foundation, and so far so good. I kind of like it. It's not too shabby. I was just expecting it to be a little bit more glowy, but it can go on. Then obviously I always have to conceal with my Kevyn Aucoin Sensual Skin Enhancer, blending that out. Next I'm going to cream contour with my Juvia Place concealer in the shade 5, and I'm putting that on my cheekbones, and I'm putting this on my nose bridge, and I'm blending this out.
Sticking on your backstage pass, all access, cause you bad. You could go wherever with that ass. Show to the shower, to the truck to the club for the party. You go in first with your girls, cause I don't know who's out there watching. But I do know one thing, yo. Women, they come, they go. Saturday through Sunday, Monday, Sunday, yo. Maybe I'll love you one day, maybe we'll someday grow. Till then, I'll sit my drunk ass on.
Here I'm trying the e.l.f. Camo liquid blushes, and I'm using the shade Gorge Orange, and I'm putting that right above my contour.
Will I see you at the show tonight? To paradise.
Okay, here you can see that the TooFaced Born This Way concealer in Warm Sand, I would say, is about 2 to 3 shades brighter than my skin tone. So just to give me an extra oomph in the brightness area, I'm gonna go in with the ABH concealer in the shade 10, which is, I would probably say, 4 to 5 shades brighter than my skin tone. And that's just gonna give me the extra brightness that I want. Obviously I'm setting with my Huda Beauty powder in the shade Blondie. Yes, I'm setting, not baking. I'm gonna bake under my contour with that, just to give me that extra shape when I dust off the powder. Now I'm going into bake under my eyes with the one size powder in the shade Translucent. Ooh, girl, translucent. And then I'm going to set my cream contour with Doll Beauty bronzer. Don't remember the shade. It'll be down in the description box. And then I'm also going in with another bronzer. This is the NARS Laguna bronzer in the shade 7. And that's gonna give me the extra warmth that the Doll Beauty wasn't giving me. Obviously, y'all know I set my nose with my face powder and not my bronzer because I want a natural nose contour. Here I'm trying a new Juvia's Place concealer. Blush. And that's the Volume 1 blush. I'm using the orange shade that's on the bottom of it. And this is how your face is supposed to look. So after we reach this stage, we're mostly finished with our makeup. We're just doing the final touches. So that includes adding liner to the waterline, smoking out the waterline with some of the shadows I used in my crease earlier. And then dusting off that powder under the eye on the rest of my face. And then I'm going in with my Sephora Micro Smooth powder just to blend everything out. Girl, I don't remember this shade off the top of my head, but I'm going to leave it in the description box. These powders are they're only $20 at Sephora. So if you're looking for a powder to blend in your makeup, please go for this. And you know, adding it back, adding more of the blush, adding some inner corner highlight with the beige shadow that was in the P.Louise eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the Dragon Beauty. Y'all just watch the rest of the video. The lip combo that I'm using includes the Juvia's Place liner in the shade Espresso. I'm going in with the MAC lipstick in the shade Velvet Teddy. And for the gloss, I use MAC See-Through. And that concludes my prom video. And I hope to see you in another prom video next year. Toodles. Enjoy the rest of the video.
What's the reason why? Yeah.